2007 Porsche Cayman automatic, 63,000 miles on lowmilecars.com. This is a rust-free Porsche Cayman, came from Georgia, never seen snow before, one owner car. The owner was part of a Porsche America club, and I believe he owned multiple Porsches. This was his daily driver. Still didn't drive much, 63,000 miles, fully stock, all factory, never been modified, never been abused. Doesn't seem to like get it onto the track before. So this car is in great condition and very clean. Have a few dings and scratches, but it was parked in the garage. The highlight is in nearly perfect condition. I don't want to use perfect because it is 18 years old car. It could have environmental or aging signs, but overall the car is great. Leather seat, dark blue leather seats, heated leather seats, automatic transmission. This is a perfect car to drive every day, and you can use remote to unlock the trunk, and that's the cover of the engine. We will try to find time to open it up and take a few pictures, but overall the car it was taken care of by a experienced Porsche owner and never been abused and modified, and this is a great car. And let's see, get it started. I just reset the tire pressure, so it's still learning the tire pressures, and but then you can hear, and the engine actually is here. You don't hear any engine noise from the cabin, but nevertheless, this is a true Porsche. Very fun to drive. Endless power, feels like, with the accelerator, and the handling, yeah, the Cayman handling, to a lot of people, Cayman handling is great, even better than the base model 911s, because it's mid-engine. And oh man, this sound, this feeling, the control. Yes, this car is fun to drive. Definitely an ultimate Porsche fan daily driver. This is could be a really cool car to drive every day. And yeah, power windows, power mirrors, 2 keys, 2 remote keys, CD player, heated leather seats, and cup holders. The only thing that's is not perfect is the cup holder cover. This cup holder, you push it in and there's a cover, and this cover is not pushing back in. Other than that, it's nearly in perfect condition. I don't want to use perfect, it's in excellent condition. Automatic climate control, the spoilers, power spoilers, on lowmilecars.com.